Hey everyone, welcome back to Guide with Samuel. In this video, I'll show you how to withdraw money from Binance to your bank account, step by step, updated for 2025. Let's get started. Step 1. Open the Binance app and log in to your account. Step 2. Tap on Wallets at the bottom, then choose Funding or Spot, depending on where your funds are stored. Step 3. Select the Withdraw option. Step 4. Choose Fiat if you're withdrawing in your local currency, like USD, EUR, or NGN. Step 5. Pick the currency you want to withdraw and select a payment method like bank transfer, card, or mobile money, depending on availability in your country. Step 6. Enter the amount you want to withdraw and your bank details if prompted. Double-check everything to avoid errors. Step 7. Tap Confirm and complete any required security verification. Step 8. Wait for the confirmation. Withdrawals can take minutes or up to 24 hours depending on your bank. Tip: always make sure your bank details are correct and match your Binance account name. And that's it. You've successfully withdrawn funds from Binance. If this helped, like the video and subscribe to Guide with Samuel for more tutorials.